Hi guys and welcome to the channel. My name's Mariella and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Today is June the 9th and the devotion today is Serving for Everyone. Do not be lazy but work hard, serving the Lord with all your heart. Be joyful because you have hope. Be patient when trouble comes, and pray at all times. Share with God's people who need help. Romans 12:11 through 13. How many times a day do we see our hands but fail to recognize their potential, their power, their ability? Our hands can be used to bless many people around us. They can wipe away tears. They can work. They can comfort. And they can serve. There are many practical ways to serve those around us. We can give our time to a lonely friend, buy a meal for someone in need, spend the afternoon cleaning an elderly neighbor's home, or visiting with somebody who is in the hospital. Think of how you can serve somebody else today. God, thank you that you made us to love each other and to give ourselves to each other. I know this might mean helping with jobs that don't seem rewarding or pleasant. But there is both joy and eternal blessings to be found in serving. I want to choose that today. And then the nighttime is, we often think of serving others as a job for those in the ministry. Pastor serves, missionaries serve, humanity serves, but serving is something we can all do. Think back to the last time you were served. Maybe somebody finished a task that you were dreading or unknowingly provided a great need in an act of service. We only receive a tangible gift, but we also catch a glimpse of God's love for us. When we serve others, we are being used by God to show His love. The question of the day is, how can you serve somebody this week? So how do you plan on serving somebody this week? I think I just might cook for my neighbors one day. So leave me a comment and let me know how you plan on serving somebody this week. I want to thank you all for watching the video. If you would like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my videos. I would appreciate it. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.